Valentine is around the corner. And if you are not going out with your boo, why not sit at home and prepare this delicious puff puff and enjoy with your boo? In a bowl, you just need to add some flour, sugar, some dry yeast, mix all of these dry ingredients together, and then you add some warm milk. After that, you mix all of these together, making sure you check the consistency. If it is not enough, you add more milk. This is because I wanted to get a paste like mixture. After that, I added some vanilla. I know you are used to eating puff puff made with ground nutmeg, but why not try something new? Cover your mixture and keep in a warm place. And after about 40 to 45 minutes, this is what it should look like. Don't be scared if it doesn't rise to this extent. Proceed to fry your puff puff, making sure you do not overheat your oil. Mold as much as you can. I don't think there is any puff puff that is perfectly round. And as you fry, you have to make sure that you turn them around so that they get done evenly. And guys, that is it. Continue to mold in the rest of your puff puff mixture until you are done frying every bit of it. Puff puff is one snack that I do not think anyone can ever get tired of eating. It is yummy. Oh, by the way, if you're not a lover of sugar, I don't think you should have anything to do with puff puff. I said what I said. Guys, let me know in the comment section, will you be frying this? Or has your boo already made arrangement for two?